Why did God flood the earth? Genesis chapter 6, verse 5. And God saw that the wickedness of man was great in the earth, and that every imagination of the thoughts of his heart was only evil continually. That's crazy, man. Wow. Woo! Just got done with a nasty leg lift. Very hamstring oriented. And wasn't bad. Pretty good, actually. Definitely feeling it now. Did some core and some cardio, seated bike at the end, 30 minutes. That's kind of going to be the blueprint for the next 10 months. About 60 minutes of lifting, 10 minutes cardio, not of cardio, 10 minutes of core, and then 20 to 40 minutes of cardio. I'm going to do that 6 days a week. I'm doing a good split where each day is a body part. Monday, chest, triceps. So it's like a little bit, a little bit of triceps, not a ton. Tuesday, back and biceps. Wednesday, legs, but a little bit more quad oriented. Thursday is going to be shoulder. And then Friday is going to be arms, biceps, triceps. And Saturday is going to be legs, a little more hamstring oriented. So let's make something happen. Got 10 months. 10 months to lose 50 pounds. Today's November 1st, officially the first day of it. So let's go. Along with this 10-month body transformation I'm hoping to do, I'm gonna have a spiritual transformation as well. And I would like to be worthy as I can possibly be. I'm not ever going to be perfect, because man is not perfect, cannot be perfect. We are mortals. But I'm going to do everything that I possibly can to get there. So that's also part of it, ladies and gentlemen. Or no one. Me. The earth was so wicked. People's thoughts and hearts were evil. That's all they could do. That's all they were, was evil. And the Lord had enough of it. Everything was evil. Save a few, right? Save the lineage, like, obviously Noah and his family. But I mean, I don't know. I could be wrong, and if I'm wrong, let me know. I like learning. But I think Noah had quite a bit of kids, and not all of them were perfect either. Like, I don't know if he had to leave some kids behind, but it wouldn't surprise me. So crazy, man. Crazy stuff. So the Lord commands Noah to build an ark for people, select people, and for the animals, to preserve them. And he does. The Lord floods the earth. Floods it. Now, there's lots of comments, theories out there. I don't know. Is the whole entire earth flooded? I think so. I just know that there's no one left, especially in that area where it was so wicked. And therefore, they had to restart. Sometimes you have to restart. You have to flood your earth. Especially if you're caught up in wickedness and evil, or you are plateaued and you don't know what else to do. You're just stuck. Burn the boats. Restart. And that might be the only thing that you can do to save yourself. Sounds like that's the only thing the Lord could do to save the Son of Man. To save his sons and daughters, men. Goodness, sorry. You gotta do what you gotta do. Nothing changes if nothing changes. So that's kind of what I'm doing with this restart. And even like my lifting, I generally will track everything that I do. But today, I don't know, I just had the thought, don't track it. And just go and lift hard and lift heavy and go. And hey, I had a great lift. I got a lot done in 55 minutes. It's funny that I don't plan on what verse I'm gonna read until I've finished my workout and I'm in the vehicle, And it's funny because I don't know, they all kind of just mix well. And it's one thing I love about the scriptures is that it doesn't matter what is going on in your life. The scriptures, doesn't matter what's going on in your life. The scriptures can help you. There's something in the scriptures for everything in your life, no matter what point of your life you're in. And I do very much love that about the scriptures. So, at the end of the day, do what you gotta do. God loves you, He loves me, He loves us. And work hard, work smart, be obedient, get strong physically, mentally, and spiritually, and you will be blessed. Go lift some weights.